Hello class. Today we're looking at RedP 3.8. Okay? Today we're looking at direct variation, which is y is equal to kx, inverse variation, which is y is equal to k over x, and neither one. So we are to examine each equation to see which applies. So in order to do that, we must first isolate y, and then second interpret, okay, the relationship between x and y, okay? So here we go. When we isolate y, in this case, is being divided by 5, so we're going to multiply by 5. And therefore, y is equal to, in this case, 30 over x, okay? And so, therefore, we look to see in which case is k divided by x, and when we look, we see it's in the inverse. So this is an inverse relationship. Okay, look at number 4. Number 4, we want to isolate y. In order to do so, we must divide by x, and then y is equal to 2 divided by x. And once again, we have a inverse variation. Okay. All right. Let's look at number 6. Number 6 says the variables x and y vary inversely. Write an equation relating x and y. So when we see this, we know that in this case, x is 2. So the inverse relationship is y is equal to k divided by x. So we plug in x and y to identify k and then rewrite the problem in this formula. Okay, so here we go. If x is 2, y is 3.5 equals to k over 2. So instead of dividing by 2, we multiply by 2. And so 7 is equal to k. And so our formula is written inversely. Y is equal to 7 divided by x. Okay? And that's our lesson. See you in the morning.